last day of the week for trading. Tomorrow, June 19th, the markets will be closed. So I'm just going to be doing some technical analysis, pre-market analysis here for the NQ, and also my favorite stock to trade currently is SPCX. So let's get right into it here. So I've marked out Tuesday low and Monday low here. Yesterday we broke that, and we looks like we wanted to fill Friday gap, but we came back up to the upside for the rest of Asian session. We came up. We were trading around the bottom of the first 15-minute opening range yesterday. Looks like it bounced off a Tuesday low, and now it's trying to retest yesterday's top of the 15-minute opening range. But I'm not sure how the market is going to be reacting once it does, say, hit the top of the first 15-minute opening range, just because we had a couple of rejections up there, and then we had a nice move after the new Fed chair Kevin Warsh spoke, and we had a move to the downside. So those are the key levels that I'm looking at. So I wanted to see a Tuesday low, maybe a break of Tuesday low, and then a retest of Monday low, and then see if we can fill that gap to Friday. So that would be a really, really nice trade on the downside here. I still got to mark out London low and London high to see what, but it's not going to be anything crazy, just because it's probably going to be up here in this trading area. So like I said, I want to see price action go down to Tuesday low and then retest Monday low. See if we get a bounce off of either of these levels. If not, if we keep breaking lower, my take profit's probably going to be around here to fill that gap from Friday. So that's that for the M&Q. And then SpaceX is actually moving lower. So yesterday I put out a post on my X, so same handle there, so Ram Trades X on X if you want to follow me there. I want to see a retest of 200. 200 has been a psychological level for a while now. And then yesterday we opened up, went all the way up to 215, broke down below 200, and then once we broke down below 200, we never got above it, right? So we rejected there, rejected here, but now we're moving up even lower, down to 185.70 currently in pre-market. But I would want to see SpaceX come up to $200 and then see if we can go short or even go into puts at $200. So that is what I'm looking for. If it keeps moving to the downside, I'm not going to chase it. I don't know how far it's going to go down and where the bounce spot is. I mean, maybe right here, maybe 175 might be a bounce spot, but I would rather be in shorts on SPCX than a call or longs here on SPCX. So those are the two things that I'll be watching. And then also we have to remember that today is quadruple witching day, meaning that the stock options, stock index futures, and then single stock futures all expire today because tomorrow the market is closed. So what does that mean? The volume is going to probably pick up, the elevated price volatility. There's going to be arbitrage trading and then increased order imbalances. So you might see some whipsaw actions. You got to be very careful with your positioning, especially today. And then just making sure that your entries are almost picture perfect. Just make sure you wait for your A+ setups. But that's all I have for today. Hopefully you have a green day and then have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday morning.